Last time, I built a smart home system for my mom and it worked perfectly. But few days later, she said something I did not expect. Phone is good, but can I just talk and control it? That one question turned this into something even bigger. Because sometimes even picking up the phone feels like effort while she's cooking with hand fully covered with food particles. What if you could just say, turn off the light and it happens instantly?
Okay Google, activate light on.
Sure, activating the light on.
So I
Okay
decided,
Google,
let's upgrade the
activate
system
light
with
off.
voice control. Hey Electrominds, welcome to day 2 of Don't Buy It, Build It. Now instead of just app
Activate
control,
light
we are
on.
connecting our system to Google Assistant. So now your voice becomes the remote
Okay
control.
Google,
You can say turn
activate
on
light
the
off.
light, turn off the light, and it just works. Here's what happening behind the scenes. Your voice goes into the Google Assistant. Google Assistant sends command through the cloud. ESP32 receives it via internet. Relay switches the appliances. The appliances responds immediately. All this happens in seconds. Primarily, all these are powered by this particular mini 5-volt SMBS because it is safe for all the components available in the circuit diagram. No buttons, no walking, just your voice. Coming to the coding part. On further analysis, I just found out that the same code that we developed in the previous video can be utilized here also for Google Assistant purpose. We don't want to change anything in ESP32 program. Instead, we just need to do two more things. First one is configuration of IFTTT using two major app services in IFTTT. One is Google Assistant and another one is webhooks. And the second thing is for webhooks, we just need to derive the URL for triggering the appliance through Blink. So this is the template. You can clearly see this is the template URL. Here we just need to change the value. As you can see below, the value is 0 for triggering off the relay and 1 for triggering on the relay. And the second thing is the virtual number, that is the virtual pin number right over here. So in our case, I have configured v1, so I have provided v1, and the third thing is you just need to provide the authentication ID from the Blink web console. That's it. So this is the template URL. This is the URL for turning off the relay. This is the URL for turning on the relay. That's it. Let's try to configure the Google Assistant in IFTTT.com. Now I'm setting up the Google Assistant using IFTTT.com. Just log in with Gmail account, and then with webhooks already available in it, you can configure the voice commands for your Google Assistant in there. And after setting up the IFTTT for Google Assistant, it is completely done. And now I'm just going to log in with the Google Assistant with the same Gmail account that I used in IFTTT. Now my phone setup is ready and my Google Assistant is also ready. And this is the recap of assembling video of this circuit. And this is the assembling of product which we are going to install in our room.
Okay Google, activate light off.
Sure, activating the light off.
Okay Google, activate light on.
Got it, activating the light off.
Okay Google, activate light off.
Sure, activating the light off.
Okay Google, activate light on.
Got it, activating the light on.
Okay Google, activate light off.
Alright, activating the light off.
Okay Google, activate light on.
Sure, activating the light on.
Okay Google, activate light off.
Alright, activating the light off.
Okay Google, activate light on.
Alright, activating the light on.
Okay Google, activate light off.
Got it. Activating the light off.
Okay,
Now my
Google,
mom does not
activate
even
light
need her
off.
phone. She just sits and say, turn on the light and it turns on.
Okay, Google, activate light on.
No movement, no effort, just a small smile and a little bit of magic.